How to delete a row in Excel. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the file you want to delete a row from. Then simply select the row's number and then press on CTRL and minus sign. After you've done that, it will directly delete row for you. Simply, again I will repeat, you need to click on CTRL and minus sign together to delete a row. And this is how to delete a row in Excel. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time, thank you for watching.